Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video I will be doing a unboxing and product review. Yosonic have reached out to me and want me to do this unboxing for them, and I am so excited to do it. The cabinet in the kids' bathroom I'm not a fan of. It just hangs on the wall. It's not very functional at all. So I am going to be reviewing and unboxing this shelf that goes back behind the kids' toilets, and I'm excited. I cannot wait to get into this product and get it opened and put up and get everything. This product can be found on Amazon, and I will have it linked down below as well. But this shelf was so easy and simple and quick to get put together. I am absolutely loving this shelf. It looks so good in the kids' bathroom. It just opened up their bathroom so much more because I was able to take that cabinet that was hanging in there, and then I also had another shelf that they can put their stuff on. So I was able to eliminate that, and it just opened it up so much more. But we're just going to get back to installing, well, putting together this shelf.
Nobody told me.
Are the directions. They look really easy. They don't look hard at all. And that was the dogs running around in the background, and I am so sorry for that. But it is 105 outside, so it is so hot, and I just don't want to put them out right there right now. So they're just in the house and playing. So again, I'm sorry if you guys hear them.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up.
So my battery died on my camera, so you didn't see me get that other side put on.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on, just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive.
So I'm gonna get it finished, put together while it's right there, and then we're gonna get it set up.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay 'cause
Okay, so now I have the towel holders on here, and then a little hanging rack where they can just hang their wet towels. Awesome. The only thing I got left to do is get it secured to the wall.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger, linger on.
Okay, you guys, so this is what it's looking like. I like it. I am actually loving this. I need to bring some more toilet paper in here to put right there. The kids' towels, perfect. I do need to get some baskets to put right here, so that'll be a bit later, and probably get some hand towels. But yeah, absolutely loving this, you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. And I will have this linked down below, but I am loving this shelf in the kids' bathroom. I was able to organize it a lot better, and it just opened it up so much more. So, but like I said, it will be linked down below, and I hope you guys have a fantastic Tuesday and a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.